The 7-inch wireless CarPlay screen offers seamless integration with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for wireless connectivity to your smartphone for hands-free use of essential functions like navigation and music streaming. Its high-definition touchscreen provides a vibrant display with a resolution of 1024 by 600 pixels, and the Mirror Link function enhances your driving experience by allowing easy video sharing from your phone. A standout feature is the waterproof rear-view camera that improves safety by automatically displaying the rear view on the screen when reversing, making parking and maneuvering much easier. With upgraded audio output options, this CarPlay screen ensures a superior sound experience by allowing Bluetooth connectivity to your car speakers alongside traditional aux, FM transmitter, and built-in speaker options. The device is impressively easy to install in any vehicle, taking only a few minutes to set up with its adjustable self-adhesive dashboard mount, which offers flexibility and secure attachment to your dashboard. Manufactured by LITALARM, this portable car stereo combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, making it a valuable addition to any vehicle's entertainment and navigation system.